In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets without having to check them one by one. If you're working with a long list, say a list of client names, and want to quickly find duplicates, this method makes it super easy. Start by selecting the column where unique entries are expected. In our case, that's the client name column. Click on the first data cell, then use Shift Command down arrow on a Mac or Shift Control down arrow on Windows to select the rest of the column. Once the column is selected, go to the top menu, click on Format, and choose Conditional Formatting. A settings panel will appear on the right. Instead of sticking with the default rule, scroll to the bottom and choose Custom Formula Is. Now enter this formula, equals COUNTIF B2 100 B2 2 1. Make sure to adjust the range and column letter based on your actual data. This formula will highlight any client names that appear more than once. Choose a color to make the duplicates pop, click Done, and you're set. Google Sheets will now automatically highlight duplicate client names, and it's dynamic. If you delete or edit an entry, the formatting updates instantly. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and helpful Google Sheets tips.